Alright, what's going on, everybody? It's Alan Thomas, aka Shadosassins, and today I'm showing off one of my final environments for my new webcomic. And this one is sort of a throne room for my main villain, the purple guy that you saw me draw a couple videos ago. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and check in the, inside of my... If you haven't seen it, go ahead and look in my actual channel. It should be like a good 2 or 3 videos ago. The purple guy with the red hair should be in the thumbnail. But in any event, I drew a throne room for him, and I wanted the actual room itself to be a tad bit dark because I wanted the neon lights in the throne room to stand out. There's a guy sitting on his rolling backpack going down the street, and I don't know why. In any event, I wanted the actual throne room for him to have neon lights on it and have those to pop out, and I wanted the rest of the room to be kind of dark. And I also wanted the open areas behind him to sort of stand out as well because of that. So I wanted the sky and everything to sort of shine in through the room and then have the neon lights pop, because I thought it would be very weird if it was bright and then had the sort of lights as well. And like I said before, there's a lot of neon lights and stars and whatnot in my comic. I have a big space feel to it, so that's what I'm rolling with for. I think I've done that in pretty much every environment. I don't think I've done a single one that hasn't had any kind of neon lights at all. Yeah, it really is a lot of it now that I think about that. But yeah, as far as the color scheme for this one, just lots of dark reds, almost a burgundy like color, and grays. Yeah, I wanted it to sort of match the color scheme for his actual outfit as well. I wanted the throne room to be something that resembled a place that he would actually sit in and be involved in. So yeah, a lot of small intricate details went into, I guess, my thought process behind painting this room. Also, if you are new to my channel or new to this little webcomic series that I'm doing right now, as far as showing the process of me coming up with ideas and designing and painting some of these environments, and note, these are all just concepts that I plan on using in my comic. I just want to get an idea of what they're going to look like. Most of them, at least in my design of the environments themselves, I almost want it to look like it belongs in a fighting game. That's kind of a thing I'm going for. Don't really know why, it's just an interest of mine, and I'm a huge fighting game fan, and I want that to play a part in my webcomic in and of itself, while also keeping in mind that this is a comic and it's not a fighting game. So it's a fine line that I'm toting, but I'm trying here. But I feel like most of my environments are interesting enough to where I should be able to pull it off. But that's basically it here. Like I said, lots of neon lights and really weird colored backgrounds. And stars, of course, because I just like putting stars in all of my backgrounds. Like I said, I have a real big space feel to it. So that's about it. Let me know what you think of the actual environment below. Also check out some of the previous works that I've done for like different characters and different environments as well. And like, comment, subscribe if you already haven't, all that good stuff. Check out my links below and check out my website, and follow me on social media on Instagram and Twitter. And everybody watching this, you all have a good one. And I'm out.